fire when the gas burns, when a substance burns in the form of a gas. So when fire is caused and that fire burns in the form of a flame, it signifies that a substance is burning in the form of a gas. When the gas stove is burnt, the LPG gas stove is burnt, it mostly burns in this color, bluish in color. So what does the blue color of the gas signify? It signifies that the gas is burning completely. It is burning with the blue flame because it forms complete combustion is taking place. If the gas does not burn in blue flame and the color of the gas changes, then it signifies that it is not burning. If the gas burns with this type of color, the blue and red color, this symbolizes that the gas is burning incomplete. Then due to incomplete combustion, most of the gas does not burn completely. So sometimes in the LPG gas you see orange color flame, which happens mostly because the burner is dirty and there are impurities or some items fallen on the burner which block the supply of oxygen. So when we try to burn the gas, it burns incomplete and we see orange color flame. So what should be done at that time? We should clean the burner. When the burner is clean, then the impurities which have fallen on the burner, they will not catch fire and there will be complete combustion and the flame will turn. So all the substances which vaporize on burning, they produce flame. So when kerosene oil and molten wax are burnt in a small lamp, then there also the substance kerosene and the wax, they convert into vapor and then they catch fire. Charcoal on the other hand does not vaporize and so it does not produce a flame. So all of you must have seen that when charcoal is burnt, it burns but it turns red in color and it does not produce a flame outside it. So sometimes it produces flame because that flame is also blue in color. That is the gases which are present in it, they catch fire. Otherwise charcoal normally does not produce a flame. When the candle flame is burnt and it is burning steadily, introduce a clean glass plate into the zone of the flame. If you put a pipe into the flame and observe it, then you will observe that the pipe carries the gas inside and the fire. The different zones of a candle flame are important. Whenever a candle burns, it produces different colors. These colors in the candle flame signify the different temperatures of the candle flame. If we observe the candle flame, the area of the candle which is the outermost gets free supply of air. So the outermost area of the candle flame gets free supply of air. So it produces a blue zone, which is the outermost zone on the candle flame. It is the area of complete combustion. The second zone area of the candle flame, which is the middle zone, it is the area of luminous zone. So this part, which is the middle part, it is the area which produces shine. This is the area of the candle flame which produces light. So this is yellow in color. In this area, the carbon particles which are not burning, they keep on moving around in the flame. The particles move inside because of the heat and they keep on moving inside the candle flame, and because of the heat of the candle, of the fire, these carbon particles become hot and reflect, and they reflect the light and the candle produces brightness. The third area, which is the prominent area, is the dark zone of the candle flame, which is the middle part of the candle flame, innermost part. This area appears to be brownish black in color. In this area, most of the carbon particles are left unburnt and they produce black shade. This is the coldest area of the candle flame because the carbon particles are unburned. So these are the three main zones of the flame. Besides the blue zone, which is the outermost zone, the area of non-luminous which does not produce light, the luminous zone and the dark zone. The areas which are shown here, they are the non-luminous zone, which is the outermost zone of the candle flame, the outermost zone which receives full oxygen. So three zones are there in the flame. They are produced because of the area of supply of oxygen. The outermost zone gets the free supply of oxygen, the middle zone gets less supply of oxygen, and the innermost zone gets the least supply of oxygen. So from this picture you can see the blue zone and the non-luminous zone, they have the highest temperature. So the non-luminous zone, which does not produce light, produces highest temperature. The luminous zone produces lesser temperature and the dark zone produces less temperature. The non-luminous zone, the dark zone and the luminous zone are the three main zones of the candle flame, which signify the different temperature zones of the candle flame.